Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Kraft faces legal woes. A bench warrant was issued for the dancehall artist after he failed to turn up for traffic court to answer to violations. Kraft, whose legal name is Tevin Randall, was scheduled to appear before the court on Tuesday. He is to answer charges of using an electronic communication device while driving, failing to produce a driver's license at a constable's request, and failing to obey a constable's command. Now, Jenny gives back. The media personality and event host extraordinaire has embarked on a new mission to make a difference in the lives of the country's youths with the recent launch of her Jennifer Jenny Small Foundation. Speaking at the launch, Jenny shared that the foundation will target one early childhood institution per year to enhance the enrichment of the learning environment. Marcus Garvey Basic School is the first recipient.
As we inspire as many children in this community, injecting love and greatness and making sure the learning environment is as rich. So Principal Smikey is supposed to give me a list of things that she needs. We're doing the makeover.
Principal Jordana Smikey shared that with the aid of the foundation, the school aims to implement a technology center and reintegrate assistant teachers into the space.
Based on the needs that Miss Jennifer would have asked, we have gone into seeing how we can give the school a facelift, how we can do the landscaping, how we can transform our resource room into a technology center for our students. So we're pretty excited about that, as well as to have our assistant teachers implemented back in our system in coexistence with the Early Childhood Commission. So we're pretty excited in our hopes and our needs list.
Now, American record producer and singer-songwriter The Dream accused of sex trafficking, rape, and sexual battery in a lawsuit that was filed on Tuesday. According to the complaint obtained by CNN, The Dream used his age and influence in the music industry to manipulate the plaintiff, Shanaz Mongrel, a singer-songwriter from the Netherlands, into the U.S. on an O-1B Extraordinary Ability visa. The lawsuit alleges that he lured Mongrel into an abusive, violent, and manipulative relationship filled with physical assaults, violence, sexual encounters, and horrific psychological manipulation. On one occasion, Mongrel alleges The Dream raped her in a van the same evening that he forced her to engage in sex acts in a public movie theater. She has asked for a jury trial and is seeking unspecified damages. The Dream's representative sent a statement to the New York Times denying the allegations as untrue and defamatory, adding that he opposes all forms of harassment and has always strived to help people realize their career goals. It went on to say that as someone committed to making positive impact on his fellow artists and the world at large, he is deeply offended and saddened by the accusations. Now, in a statement to CNN, Mongrel said she needed to tell her story to heal. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.